In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a glow outline to your photos, then you can use them in your designs. Hi friends and welcome back to the channel. Now creating a glow outline to your photos usually ensures that your photo really stands out, and I'm going to show you two ways of doing that and using a software called Canva. So to get started, we are going to go to canva.com and you can sign in if you have an account. If you don't have an account, you can sign up using the link in the description, and it's also going to give you access to 30 days of Canva Pro for free, so that is something that you could consider. So once you're in the Canva dashboard, we are going to go to here where it says create a design, and I'm going to select on YouTube thumbnail because that is what we are going to be designing. Now that I have my blank canvas here, I'm going to select the photo that I want to create a glow outline for. If you already have your own photo, you can upload it, but personally I'm going to go to the elements here so that I can use one of the Canva photos. So I'm going to select on this one that I had recently used. Now the second thing that we are going to do is to remove the background of this photo. So you click on the photo and then you click on edit image here, and then you can click on the background remover. Now key to note here is that the background remover feature on Canva is a pro feature, so you can only use it if you're on the pro version. Now an alternative to this is that you can go to the remove.bg site and then you can upload your photo there, and then you can remove the background. Then you can come back and upload it on Canva so that you can continue with the design. Now the next thing I will do is change the background of my canvas. So I'm just going to click on the background here, and then I'm going to go to the colors here, and I'm going to click on my blue brand color. You can see that if I move the photo around, it doesn't have a background. So I'm going to duplicate this page as it is so that I can use the first page to show you the first way and the second page to show you the second way. So the first way is for you to click on your photo and then you duplicate it. So you press Alt on your machine and then you just move it outwards so that you have duplicated it, and then you click on one of the images and go to edit image, and then you scroll down to where it says duotone, and then you click on select all, and then you can select whichever duotone that you like. I'm going to click on this amber one, and once the duotone effect is created for this image, I'm going to slightly enlarge it just a little bit like that, and then I'm going to right click it, and then I'm going to send it backward. Where I'm sending it backward is so that the original photo here can be the one in the forefront. So I'm going to click on this original photo and then I'm going to bring it to the foreground. So you just click on the photo and then now you bring it on top of the one with the duotone so that you can see a bit of the glow effect sort of popping out. So you can be able to adjust this by using the shift plus the arrow keys on your keyboard so that you can move it to where you want it to be. And then once we are done, we are going to click on the photo in the background. To do that, you press shift and tab on your keyboard, and then you go back to where it says edit image, and then where it says recently used, I'm just going to use this arrow key so that I can press on the adjust button here. So what we are going to adjust is the blur. So I'm going to add the blur. So as I add the blur, you can see that the glow effect is becoming more blurred. So you can change the blur to maybe 72. You can add a bit of contrast and a bit of maybe brightness. And then once you're done, you can click outside of the two photos so that you can select the both of them. So you just click away and then you sort of drag inward so that you select both photos together, and then you group them so that now you can put them to maybe one corner of your design. And if you want to, you can also enlarge the photo. We have it in this corner, and then maybe we can add in some text. So I'll just press T on my keyboard and then I can select all of my text and type in something here. And this can be our dummy thumbnail. Of course, you can continue to design as you like it. So if you now look at our photo, you can see the glow effect here. So I'm now going to show you the second way to do this. So we'll use the second page here. So you click on the photo and then you go to where it says edit image, and then you scroll down all the way to where it says shadows. Then you click on glow. And now our glow effect has been put on our photo, so we are going to adjust it just a little bit. The first thing we'll change is the color. We're going to make it white. Then I'm going to increase the size all the way up to 15. And you can see there's a bit of a glow effect already on the photo. So if I wanted, I can add the blur, and then I can also add a bit of the transparency, and we can increase the size if you want to see more of the glow effect. But what I've seen as more popular, what is used by most YouTubers, is a bit of the outline. So I'm going to increase the transparency all the way up to 100, and then I'm going to reduce the blur up to 0. So you can see a bit of the outline effect there. You can adjust the size accordingly. Once you're done, remember to apply the settings so that that now you can use the thumbnail. So that is how to add an outline or a glow effect to your photo. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. In the meantime, have a good one, and I'll see you in the next video.